Hello everyone, my name is Man Patel and today I'm going to solve code question number 2315 count asterisks. Here we are given a question in which we are given a string S where two consecutive vertical bars are grouped into a pair. In other words, the first and second vertical bars make a pair, the third and fourth vertical bars make a pair, and so on. We have to return the number of count asterisks in S, excluding the star asterisk between each pair of the vertical bars. Note that each vertical bar will belong to exactly one pair. So it is the question. Let's understand more simply by example. Here we are given a input string S, in which we are given L, the vertical bar, asterisk E, and this whole string is given. Here we have to return output 2 because the count of asterisk is 2. Because as you can see, uh, here we are given that these two vertical bars, there is the string. We don't have to count the star of that string. It is it is a pair, so we don't have to count the stars in that string. We have to count the star of these two. Means here there are two stars, so we will return output 2. Here in explanation also you can see the considered characters are underlined L, C, O. The characters between first and second vertical bars are excluded from the answer. So also the characters between the third and fourth are excluded from the answers. There are two asterisks considered, therefore return true. Means if in this is a complete pair, so we don't have to count the stars in that pair. We have to count the stars outside that pair. So we have to count the stars in this. So here we are given output 2. We have to exclude this also because it is not joined with the pair. So we have to just simply exclude the count of asterisks of these two of this whole pair, and we have to count the stars of the outside the pairs. As you can see in example also, here we are given only simple string, and in example 3 also you can check that the consider characters are underlined. So there are total 5 stars, as you can see, these two and these 3. So this is the code. Now for I'm going to write this code in CPP language. So my approach for writing this code is, first of all, we will traverse the string characters by character. We will take one boolean variable which I will name it inside. If we encounter the vertical bar, means if we get vertical bar, we will change the state of that boolean value. Means when inside the variable I am taken, when inside is false, it means that we are the outside of the bar, so we count the stars of that out count of the stars. When we are inside, which means when inside is true, we ignores everything. So this is the simple basic code I am going to write. And first of all, let's go to writing the code. I'm going to take a count variable also to check the counted stars. So this count variable will store the final answer and the count of stars. Now I'm going, as I have told you, I'm going to take a boolean value, bool inside. I'm going to initialize it as false. So if this inside is true, means we are inside the two vertical bars. Means if inside is false, we are outside the two vertical bars. Now after this boolean value, I'm going to iterate a for loop char chs. I'm going to write here if condition. If the current character is a vertical bar, we will change the state of the inside, as I have mentioned in my approach also. Is if ch is equals to vertical bar, we will change the boolean value. Means we will do inside is equals to true. Inside is equals to we can do not inside also, not directly assigning true here. So after the if condition, I am going to write here a one else if condition, that this else if condition will count stars only when outside bars. So means if current character is equals to asterisk and inside is equals to false. Means here we are just simply doing that if the current character is asterisk and we are inside false, means we are outside the pairs, then we will simply count the stars of we will count the total stars, and after this we will simply return the counted stars. So this is the code. Now let's run the code. As you can see, the 3 test cases that are being added is successfully passed. So now let's submit the code. So as you can see, the code is successfully submitted and the runtime of this code is 0 ms. And I have solved this question in O of n time complexity. Thank you everyone.